Well, Matt, using a wee live poke to highlight the shit here in Hart Hill. You hear that seat that was put here? That if any cunt sits on it, they'll be fucking killed if a car comes off the road. Look at that. How close it is to the main road. Shocking. That should have been put there, back against the wall. That's just one thing. When they came and lashed it one with that to get it, the seat put there next to it and that nothing. Morning, Stuart. Morning. Look at this at the core of the weeds. Look at this. Right along here. The chemist. Look at this. This is our main street in Hart Hill, man. This is an absolute eyesore. And you've got a car park here that we've had more punctures in than tongue can tell because the cooperative will not do nothing with it. Again, the cooperative car park there, they'll do nothing with it. They've divided it up so that folk couldn't use the other half. Trees and everything have grew in it now. The cooperative was there, party it fell down into, I'm not going to mention the guy's name, a lot of folk will ken who I'm talking about. That the man's wall fell down. Look at this, they're not even interested in sorting this or nothing. Right? They put swing park down there at Hart Hill at the public park for the veins, which isn't worth a sook. It gets trashed every other weekend because there's nothing for the bloody veins to do. And look at the state of the footpaths here, trip hazards. Look at the state of this. Absolute fucking joke, man, our place. And then the most important thing out of all was, where the fuck's your Christmas decorations? Yeah. Where the fuck's your Christmas decorations? And I'm not giving a fuck about this video because it's not monetised, so I don't give two fucks. I'm pissed off, hacked off at the fact that Hart Hill can't get their decorations up. We own the fucking decorations, give them and I'll put them up then. He's only willing to put them up without getting paid. You know what I mean? Give them and I'll put them up for nothing. Can't fucking put a set of decorations up in our village but everybody else can get them up. Greenrig's got theirs up. West Lothian's all got theirs up. Shorts has even got them. Salisbury's got them. Wishy's got them. They've all got them. Allerton, Yemains. Absolutely everywhere's got their decorations. Only fucking us. Absolute joke. I mean, look at the length of the grass across the road, I know, man. Can't even walk your dog along, you can't even walk the path, never mind the grass. Trees sticking out like fucking everything. Look at the state of the paths they're in, I know. The leaves and everything, man. See if a pensioner walks there at the top of him and slips, what a claim you'll get, by the way. They should all be cleaned up, blue clean. Picked up by our council, which they're not doing. Too busy penny pinching. I mean, imagine a pensioner stepping into that and breaking her ankle at a bus stop too. At the Pentecostal. That's an ankle snapper, that's what you call that. Now look at the state of this here at the top, all the trees here at the bottom of the school here. This is a Bairns primary school, bear in mind. Wow, they're blowing the leaves up into the trees out the road so nobody needs to see them. Joke, man. This is the other issue. Look at this. I don't know how many times I've nearly broke my ankle crossing here. absolute joke, man. The stayt with glass and everything. And another thing, I don't know how many times, twice I think it is, I'm not going to exaggerate the fact, but it's about twice I've picked syringes up at the bottom of this road here, right at the bottom of Wayne's fucking school road in, and there's syringes getting dropped. People, what the fuck is going on here in Hart Hill? You know what I mean? It's wrong, man. Then there's this issue here as well. I mean, look at the state of this grass here, guys. It's not being cut for the Jews left Dumbarton. Then what I mean, it's wrong. It's not being cut for time. Folk are still having to walk their dogs and that, but it's not getting cut. Then the paths and all, look, I mean, you can hardly walk on the path because it's all overgrown. Now this bit here, this is the bit that gets me, this is the bit right here that gets my back up. So anybody knows this area at all, the Whitburn Road, the mad mile straight, they can tar that a mile straight for people that's probably never going to ever use it, maybe once in a lifetime, to Bathgate or whatever, walking. And then you've got a path here that's used on a regular daily basis by numerous people. Because it's Hart Hill, it's left like a mud track. Yeah, I mean, with a wooden edger in it that you have to snap your ankle on, sticking up out it, because you're forced to go there that way because of all the thorn bushes sticking out of the path. You know what I mean? It's morally wrong. North Lanarkshire Council, hang your heads in shame. I'm biting about this morning because it's wrong. I've created I don't know how many paths through the grass with my lawnmower for people getting across. I shouldn't need to be doing that. I certainly don't get paid for doing it. Yeah, I mean, it's the Christmas decorations that's hacked me off, man. God rest your soul, Dabo, and God rest your soul too, Wally Griffey. But, see, if the guys were still here today, their decorations would have been up. They seem to be the only two that ever get anything done in Hart Hill for us. Nobody seems to be interested in fighting our corner, so it's about high time we take action. It's either that or I'm going to bring it to them. Because, I'll put it this way, I've got a ladder that'll reach the top of the poles in the boiler, so give us decorations and we'll get them up ourselves. That's what I'm saying. So anybody in the community council that hears this, put that for it to them. Because I want our decorations up for our wains in Hart Hill. They should have them up. The community of Hart Hill own the decorations, so anybody that's want their decorations up, guys, put it out there. I mean, look at this and all, fences hanging down there the footpath. Snap your ankle, man, if you catch your leg in that. And there were church and all. It was put up for sale. Being sold loan, obviously, by the look at it, and it's got scaffolding up round about it now, Ken. Things like that should never be happening in your lifetime. Your local church that you went to for you were away every Christmas with your school and that, Ken. To see it going to wreck and ruin like that, it's heartbreaking, man. But there's not enough people like myself that speak out about it, people, so if you're watching this, guys, get on the bandwagon here and fucking spread the word. Spread the word, share this video far and wide. I want this to go as far and wide as fucking China, Australia, global. Because at the end of the day, we're maybe only a wee village, but we should have our Christmas decorations just the same as the next village and the last village. We're no different, we're nothing special, we don't claim to be, we just want our fucking Christmas decorations up. Then, so get that together. Community Council of Hart Hill, North Lanarkshire. Anybody that's watching it or watching this, or anybody that watches my Facebook page, I'll share it on my page. Like, share, comment and subscribe if you've not already to my channel. I'm going to hopefully start getting more content out of the winter and that, guys. Running about my local area and what have you. That's what I enjoy doing, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try and get a decent camera, or a decent phone with a decent camera on it. I was looking at getting an iPhone, but they're a bit at my price range, people. So what I'll do is I'll just stick with this one now until I can afford a decent one. And that's the road I'll go. My people, are a wee 2 pence. That all goes to the cause, guys. You know the state of this grass here, man, overgrown. Hit the height yet. Hit the height of this here, guys. It's a fucking absolute joke, man. I mean, we shouldn't be living like this in this day and age. It was a blip because of the COVID when it first broke out. Things has more or less gone back to normal, slow but sure. Never be back to normal, but things is getting there again, slow but sure. And what we need to grasp is we need to fight the fight. Don't just talk the talk or walk the walk. We've got to fight the fight as well, guys. So anyway, folks, I'm going to cut loose now because that's me at Eastfield Petrol Garage. Again, this garage here, it gets fuck all, nothing. It's never been done up in fucking time. Never been done up for time, man. And there's a few good trip hazards here too, as you can see. So that anyway, guys, I'm going to cut this now. That's me at Eastfield. I mean, look down here, guys, just for give me a second, man. This would be a good wee nature place for folk to bring their range, kind of. If this was all tarred out all the way down here, right down, but they've just let it all overgrow now, right down to the catkin. But nobody bothers anywhere, man. They could have put a big park and all that down there for the range to play in and everything, away from the motorway and away on the other side, or even on this side down there in that bit of green belt. You know what I mean? But nah, nobody's interested, but this here should all be tarred all the way out here. Like, as I said, that they've done it on the Mad Mile at Whitburn. But again, they didn't bother their backside. It's Hart Hill, let's just forget about them. Because of what the place stands for. Or not the place, but the people in it, a lot of them. I mean, let's have it right. There's fucking more Protestants in Hart Hill than there is Catholics. And that's what it all boils back to. 98% I would say North Lanarkshire Council or what, Catholic. Maybe 35%, maybe 35 to 50% of them Protestant and the rest Catholic. Aye, I would say about 35, 70 or 35. I would say about, I don't know, I don't even know how many percentage I'm talking about here. Now you've got things like this just left, you know, that could be getting used. Aye, I wouldn't say there's 50%, I would say 45%. Aye, about 30% Protestant and about 30% Protestant and about 70% maybe, 60-70% Catholic. Anyway, to me, people, Catholicism and Protestantism, it doesn't bother a difference to me. It does not make a difference to me personally. I don't care about religion. My family are Protestant. I've got Protestant in my family, bigots in my family that like all that kind of stuff, but I like the walks, going to a walk and that with my veins and whatnot, but who doesn't? I know a lot of Catholic like going to Hart Hill walks at Hart Hill and then even whereby and all that, but nah folks, something's got to give here in Hart Hill. I mean look, this is one of the wee paths I'm now going on to the new that I've had to do with the lawnmower to get across. As you can see there, we've had to trim it all down. There's no paths all the way across for folk crossing, nothing. The community at Hart Hill got absolutely nothing. There's wee Burnye's new car. Burnye! Well folks, I'm going to ring loose and round, that's me at Curry's bit. I'll catch up with you later people. Have a blessed day man. Wee hee woo woo woo! Vigilantes